Full breakdown of everything that you receive with the Fykee vacuum, how to assemble it, and then a live video demo of me using it. So you receive a head brush, the vacuum stick, the dust cup, a power source with the battery pack and charger, a couple accessories, and then a mount that you can either screw into your wall, or they do supply you with double-sided tape, so if you don't want to put holes in your wall, you can just use that instead. But now onto the assembly part. So to assemble it is super easy. There are no bolts or screws that you need to put into this vacuum. Everything is pretty much put together. You just need to snap it into place. I personally am going to vacuum my carpet, so I'm going to set it up with the head brush, but whatever way you choose, they make it really easy and you can do it in seconds. So now there are two buttons on here. One is the power button and the other one is the suction speed. Personally, I have just been using the low power mode on there, and that has been more than enough to fit my needs. A big perk about this vacuum is just how quiet it is. My last vacuum was a bit older, but was so loud when I was using it, so being able to vacuum without disturbing the whole house has been super nice. And another great feature is how quick you're able to switch out the parts. So as you can see, I just took the head brush off and I put on the crevice tool, and that took just seconds to do. So they make cleaning whatever you need to clean really easy and simple. And dumping the dirt out is just as easy as that. As you can see, it's one button press and you can easily clean out the dust cup. It also has more buttons if you need to change the filter. But overall, this vacuum is simple to use and you can't beat the price. This has been a great addition to my house and at a very affordable price.